Hello, I'm Ezza Fatima. Today I'm going to read with my little stuffed duckling. And today I'm going to read The Big Hiccup Problem. The Big Hiccup Problem. Early this morning I woke up with the hiccups. They made me jump. They made me wiggle. They made me burp. They made me giggle. This is a bad case of the hiccups, said to myself. At breakfast, I told my mom about my hiccups problem. How can I cure them? I asked her. She gave me a glass of cold water. Drink this slowly, she said. That should cure those hiccups. I drank it slowly. Hic, hic. I still had the hiccups. They made me jump. They made me wiggle. They made me burp. They made me giggle. This is a very bad case of the hiccups, said to myself. After breakfast, I went to Mrs. Brown's corner store. I told her about my big hiccup problem, and she gave me a popsicle. Lick this slowly, she said. That should cure those hiccups. I licked that popsicle very slowly. Hic, hic, hic. I still had the hiccups. They made me jump. They made me wiggle. They made me burp. They made me giggle. This is a terrible case of the hiccups, said to myself. Later that morning, I went to see my friend Mark. I told him about my big hiccup problem. Mark, I said, do you know a way to cure a bad case of hiccups? Mark gave me a brown paper bag. Blow into the bag like this, he said. That will cure those hiccups for sure. So I blew into the brown paper bag. In and out, in and out, I blew. Great, I cried. My hiccups have stopped. Thank you, I said to Mark. You have solved my big hiccup problem. You are welcome, said Mark. I'd better get another brown paper bag, I said. That was a fun and funny book. Did you like the story? And did you like the story? Thanks for watching. Did you like the video?